Hi, in this e-commerce and digital marketing course lecture, we will explore email marketing essentials. Email remains one of the most effective digital marketing tool for building relationship and driving conversations. Today, we will break down four critical components: email list capture, email content, measuring success, avoiding spam filters. By the end of this lecture, you will have actionable strategy for creating impactful email marketing campaigns. Let's begin with the email list capture. What is email list capture? The email list capture involves collecting email addresses only for people who have given permission. This ensures compliance with privacy laws and build trust with your audience. A strong email list lets you directly engage with customers, driving loyalty and eventful sales. It is your most direct line to your audience. Always focus on obtaining explicit permission. This reduces spam complaints and improve engagement rates. Method for capturing email lists: website sign up forms. Make sure sign up forms are visible and user friendly. Pop-ups, sidebars, and online forms are blog work well. Strong calls to action encourage user to sign up. Highlight benefits early. Lead magnets. Example: free ebooks, discount codes, free trial, or a webinar. A lead magnet should be tailored to your audience interest. Think about what they find truly valuable. Ensure the perceived value is worth providing an email address. The greater the value you provide, the higher your sign up rates. Social media integration: create posts or ads encouraging followers to join your list. Use your existing social media following to promote mail signups, contests, and giveaway from particular well. Use swap up links in Instagram stories or pinned tweet with sign up links. Make the process seamless by integrating sign up links directly into your social content. Ethical consideration, transparency. Make it clear why you are collecting email and how they will benefit for subscribing. Users should know exactly what they are signing up for. Transparency builds trust and prevent misunderstandings. Constant. Use opt-in or double opt-in method to avoid misunderstanding. A double opt-in sends a confirmation email to ensure users genuinely want to subscribe. It is a simple step to improve your list quality. Compliance. Adhere to laws such as GDPR, which require clear consent and opt-out options. Compliance isn't just about avoiding fines, it also protects your brand's reputation. Avoiding purchase list. Build list originally to ensure higher engagement and avoid reputational damage. Purchase list can damage deliverability rates and lead to high spam compliance. Always focus on growing your audience naturally. If crafting effective email content, subject line best practice. Keep it under 50 characters and specific. Your exclusive offer inside. A concise, attention-grabbing subject line increase open rates. Avoid excessive punctuation or all caps formatting. Personalization boosts upon rate, like hi Sarah, check this out. Use dynamic field in your email platform to personalize subject lines. Personalized email feel relevant and compelling. Body content essentials. Start with a friendly greeting and a clear purpose. Always begin by addressing the recipient and introducing the email's purpose. Make them feel valued. Incorporate storytelling to make the message relatable. Storytelling grabs attention and creates an emotional connection with your audience. Call to action, CTA, example: shop now, learn more, or download free guides. Use action-oriented language to encourage clicks. Test different CTA to see what resonates. Use bright buttons or hyperlink for visibility. A clear, prominent CTA buttons improve click-through rates significantly. Types of email campaigns. Promotional emails. Focus on driving short-term sales through discount or special offers. Promotional emails work well when trying to boost sales quickly, especially during holiday season or product launches. Transactional emails provide orders, update, or account confirmation. These build trust. Transactional emails include purchase confirmation, shipping updates, and password reset emails. They are necessary and valued by user. Drip campaign deliver automated messages based on user behavior such as onboarding or abandoned carts. Drip campaigns provide a series of email over time. They are highly effective in nurturing leads. Newsletter include tips, industry news, and update to maintain engagement over time. Newsletters have a great way to keep your audience engaged with ongoing content and not just promotions. Metrics to track. Open rate. Measure the effectiveness of your subject line and timing. A low open rate might indicate that your subject line are not compelling enough or that your email are sent at the wrong time. Click-through rate (CTR) reflect how engaging your email content and CTAs are. CTR is a key indicator of whether your email is content aligned with user interest. Use A/B testing to improve. Conversion rate track how many recipients complete a desired action like purchasing. Conversion rate show the true impact of your campaign, whether it is achieving your business goal. Unsubscribe rate indicate whether your content align with audience expectation. Monitor unsubscribe to understand if your frequency or content needs adjustment. Aim for a rate below 0.5%. Tools for analytics. Google Analytics track email-driven traffic to your website. Use UTM tracking codes in your email link to see exactly how email traffic perform on your site. Email platform offer insight into open rates, CTRs, and campaign comparison. Popular email platform like MailChimp and SendGrid provide detailed report on key metrics which are essential for optimization. A/B testing, experiment with subject line, CTAs, and layout to improve performance. Split testing allows you to test multiple versions of an email to determine which one performs the best. Avoiding spam filters, spamming keywords, words like free, urgent, or act now. Spam filter flag emails that contain aggressive or misleading language. Avoid overusing these type of words. Formatting issues, overuse of caps, bold text, or explanation marks. Overstyled emails are a red flag for spam filter. Stick to clean, professional, and formatting. Lack of permission. Sending email to people who did not sign up. Always send email to people who have opted. Sending unsolicited emails can harm your brand's reputation. Best practices to avoid spam filter. Authenticate emails SPFK, DKIM, and the MARC. SPF Senders Policy Framework ensures email are sent only from authorized server for your domains. Prevent spammers from forging your domain to send authorized emails. SPF creates a record in your domain's DNS setting listing the servers allowed to send email on your behalf. This helps recipients servers identify and block email from unauthorized sources, reducing the risk of spoofing and phishing attacks. DKIM Domain Key Identifier. Emails add a digital signature to emails confirming they haven't been altered in transit and verifying the sender's identity. DKIM acts like a security seal on your emails. It ensures the content remains unchanged from the moment it is sent to when it received. A matching digital signature builds trust with email service provides and help use your email avoid being flagged as spam. DMARC Domain-Based Messages Authentication, Reporting and Confirmation combines SPF and DKIM to dictate how the authenticated emails should be handled, allow quarantine or reject, and provides report on authentication results. DMARC enforces your domain's authentication policies and provide valuable insights through reports. These reports show how many emails are failing authentication, and if any unauthorized senders are attempting to misuse your domain. By analyzing these reports, you can strengthen your email security over time. Maintain clean list. Regularly remove inactive, invalid, or incorrect email addresses. Cleaning your email list regularly is critical for maintaining your sender reputation, and here is why. Hard bounces, which occur when emails are sent to invalid addresses, signal poor list management and can lead to your email being flagged by service providers. Low engagement rates also hurt your deliverability. For an unengaged subscriber, try a re-engagement campaign first. If they remain inactive, it is better to remove them to focus on engaged users. Use tools to verify email addresses and monitor engagement metrics. Prioritize quality over quantity to maintain a strong sender reputation and improve deliverability rates. Personalized content. Tailor emails based on recipient preference, behavior, or demographics. Personalization is key to keeping your audience engaged and reducing the risk of spam complaints. And here are some tips. Use dynamic field to insert names, location, or other personalized detail directly into your email. A personalized subject line can significantly increase open rates. Leverage user data like browsing history or past purchases to send highly relevant content. For example, recommend products they have shown interest in or follow up an abandoned cart. Behavioral triggers such as welcome emails or reminders help keep your audience engaged while ensuring your content feels timely and relevant. Remember, the goal of personalization is to create value of the recipient. Emails that feel tailored are less likely to be flagged as spam and more likely to foster loyalty. Takeaway: build trust with ethical list captures, focus on permission-based methods and transparency to create a high-quality, engaged audience. A robust email marketing strategy starts with build an authentic list, respect user privacy, follow legal requirements, and provide clear value to build trust and credibility. Craft engaged content, personalization, clear CTAs, and storytelling drive engagement and conversions. Effective email content captures attention, builds connections, and motivates action. Tailor each message to meet your audience expectation and interest. Monitor and optimize. Use metrics like open rate, CTR, and conversion rate to evaluate success. Analyze your feedback loop. Regularly analyze results, test new strategy, and refine your approach to ensure continuous improvement in performance. Stay compliant and avoid spam. Filter, authenticate emails, maintain clean list, and focus on quality content. Email marketing is a powerful tool that, when used correctly, can strengthen customer relationships and drive measurable business outcomes. The key is to focus on building trust, creating valuable content, optimizing campaigns through data, and adhering to best practice to maintain a strong sender reputation. With these strategies in place, you will be well positioned to achieve email marketing success. Thank you.